Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to reserve the self-recording audiovisual studio using the TeamDynamix ticketing system accessible from the College of Education and Human Ecology homepage. The first thing you'll need to do is select the faculty and staff portal from the homepage. Next, enter your Ohio State credentials and you'll be taken to the portal. From the different options available, the tabs at the top of the page, select Information Technology. Once here, scroll down and you'll see under the tab here of Popular Services, there's an option for the Self-Recording Audio-Video Studio. Click the option and then you have some information that goes into some of the details regarding the studio itself, but you want Request Service. Here you're taken to the TeamDynamix interface where your name will appear as the person requesting, the accountment or department, which is our information technology, and then a short description of what is being reserved. You'll see that the AV studio is already pre-populated for you. The only things that you'll need to enter are the date at which you want to start. We ask that you reserve 2 days ahead of time, and that will allow us to be in a position to best support you. So if I wanted to select Wednesday, I would do so. And then I don't want to be here at midnight, so then I need to manually change the time at which I would like to reserve the studio. And click. And then also indicate at what time I want the studio reservation to end. So let's say I want to be in there for, let's see, 35 minutes. Perfect. Click done. You'll then need to select what is the affiliation for this particular recording. So in most cases it will be for an academic course, and then any description that you need to add. So you might add, course, introduction, video. If you do require additional support, please do indicate the nature of that support here as well. Once you're done, you'll click the request button and that request will be created. You will receive an email confirming your request, and we in the academic technology team will receive an email that details the nature of the request, and someone will reach out to ensure that you have everything you need to make sure that your time in the audiovisual studio is as successful as possible.